Hi guys, welcome to Channel Beauty and Beyond. Today I'm going to be talking about new skincare launches and I'm really excited for this because I always talk about new makeup launches. I hardly do new skincare launches and this is the first time that I got them on time. I got to try them and I am here to review them. But before that, I have an exciting news. Amazon is having their Prime Day sale, which is the biggest sale of the year from 12th July to 14th July, where you will get 50 to 80% off on top fashion brands, makeup brands, and every brand, to be honest. And you can get same day delivery. So if you have any product in your cart, this is the right time to purchase them. First, let's talk about this Milky Toner from Dot & Key. This is called Blueberry Hydrate Barrier Repair Milky Toner Essence. And it has 5 ceramides and hyaluronic acid. This toner is supposed to give you instant boost of hydration and locks in moisture like a pro. It comforts redness and irritation for happy, healthy, and oh so plump skin. So basically, you know what ceramides do, right? They help in maintaining and restoring your skin barrier. So that is what exactly this is going to do. It is going to help your skin revive and also it will make your skin look plump and hydrated instantly. The milkiness in this is not very rich. I mean, it seems like दूध में बहुत सारा पानी मिलाया गया हो. It has that kind of a texture. Now this toner is great for when you feel that your skin is irritated and it needs a little bit more pampering, then this toner is great. And as it has very safe and universal products like ceramides and hyaluronic, what you can do is you can use this toner with any kind of skincare that you are doing. Like if you are even using actives in your serum and moisturizer, you can use this toner with anything and everything. I will give this 4 out of 5. The next product that I have is from Plix. This is again a new launch. This is the Watermelon Tint Twist color adapting sunscreen, which means that when you apply it on your skin, it changes color. I'm in the shade Golden Glow Light. There is another shade which I think is for darker skin tones. This is how it looks, and right now everybody is talking about this sunscreen from Plix and it looks very cute, but I felt like this is something which I have already seen. Like ऐसा sunscreen already मैंने use किया है, देखा है. It is moisturizing and everything. So I wanted to try out this color adapting sunscreen because इसका concept मुझे बहुत interesting लग रहा था. Now what I mean by this is that when you pour the sunscreen out, it is white in color, but once you start blending, it changes into a color of foundation or skin tint. But one thing I would like to say, that don't expect it to have a lot of coverage. Actually, it doesn't really have any coverage. It is very, very light. So, कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आएगा, to be very honest. But still, as a sunscreen, it is great because it has SPF 50 and PA+++++, which will protect you from both UVA and UVB rays. The fragrance of this is exactly like watermelon. Well, it is good as a sunscreen, and if you want a little bit of tint, so I will give this 3.5 out of 5. Now coming to this body wash from Nykaa. This is the Wanderlust Summer in Amalfi collection. They have a body wash, body lotion, and I think they have a perfume body mist. This is the newest launch, so I was excited to try it out, and it is supposed to smell like summer in Amalfi, Italy. This comes with a citrusy note of mandarin and basil. This smells exactly like lemon or lime. I like the smell. It is very refreshing for the summers, but when you are lathering it on your body, you're applying it, you will get the fragrance, but after you're drying out your body with a towel, you will not find any fragrance left. Even the fragrance when you apply is so subtle that it is very hard to smell. Like if somebody is standing outside the bathroom, that person will not get the fragrance. Only you can smell the fragrance. I bought it, so unfortunately I have to use it up, but I will not recommend this. It is a waste of money. Then we have this new launch from Foxtail. This is their Let It Glow Super Glow Face Wash. It cleanses, hydrates, and brightens. It reduces tan and boosts glow. It comes with vitamin C and papaya enzyme. I think it has papaya enzyme. That is why the texture of this is like, it's not flowy. It is kind of, the consistency is thick. And this face wash is in collaboration with an influencer. I think her name is Anushka Hajra. I'll leave the profile here. Anyways, why I bought this face wash is because it said that it reduces tan. Till now, it has not done anything on my tan, and I have a really bad tan going on. So कोई भी मुझे टैन का प्रोडक्ट मिल रहा है, आई एम जस्ट बाइंग इट एंड यूजिंग इट टू सी इफ इट वर्क्स और नॉट, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली अब तक कुछ भी वर्क नहीं किया है. इफ यू हैव एनी सजेशंस ऑन हाउ टू रिमूव टैन, प्लीज लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो. आई रियली नीड इट. They say that this is for all skin types. I have very oily skin. I feel this is not quite appropriate for oily skin. Like, it's not bad. It does work for oily skin, but I think अगर विंटर्स में मैं इसको यूज करूँ अपने ऑयली स्किन पे, इट विल वर्क ग्रेट. समर्स के लिए इट इज नॉट इनफ. मुझे और थोड़ा कुछ चाहिए विच कैन कंट्रोल माई ऑयल एंड कीप माई फेस मैट. सो for people with dry skin, this is going to be great, and also people with normal skin. I will give this 3 out of 10. It has a beautiful fragrance though. It's very refreshing. Next, I have this perfume from Blur, and this is called Breakfast in Bed Peach Sorbet Perfume, and naam se hi it seems so yummy. Now let me show you how it looks. You will fall in love. How cute is this? This looks like a magic potion, and it has this tangling charm with it. One thing I was disappointed is that when they showed the picture in their website, they had a peach shaped charm in this, but I did not get a peach shaped. ये मुझे local charm मिल गया. Now the top note is peach, blood orange, cardamom and heliotrope. मुझे इसका आधा चीज समझ नहीं आया. I am not a pro at guessing the notes. When I smell this, the first note is of peach, and it feels like I am eating something which has peach in it. I love the fragrance of it. And also, this is not a very light fragrance. It is strong. I think that is because it has patchouli in it. The name is so good, Peach Sorbet. Even the color is completely matching with peach. I love the whole idea of this. And Blur always comes up with the cutest packaging. Like, I have made this video of the lip oils, which I love, by the way. And you can see how the packaging is, and you can apply the stickers on them. Peach is something which I have tried for the first time in a perfume. So it's different. I'm not sure if this is my fragrance. I mostly like fragrances which has vanilla in it, which by the way Blur also has vanilla. At first I was not a fan of this, but as I kept on using it and I kept on smelling it, I kept on liking it. So this is like a cute, sweet surprise. Now, if you want to smell fruity, you can definitely try it out. Otherwise, you can try out all the other variants that they have, because I feel the fragrance and the staying power of these perfumes are really good. And I wore it on my t-shirt, and I came back home and the smell, the fragrance was still on the t-shirt. So of course the staying power is good. I love the fragrance. It smells like peach mocktail. So yeah, whenever I use it, I am reminded of a refreshing peach mocktail. I got it from Amazon. I'll leave all the links in my description box. I'll give this perfume 4 out of 5. Next, I have this Hyphen Ice Dunk Face Mask. This is supposed to be a substitute of what celebrities do in the morning, or people do in the morning. Like, they dunk their face in a bowl of ice water so that the puffiness and everything is gone away and you feel refreshed. So this is supposed to do exactly that. So now you don't have to dunk your face in ice. You just need to apply this and your face will be cooled down. This has 31% skin cooling actives and 3% caffeine and peptides. This is the packaging. It comes in this normal Hyphen branded packaging, and it comes with its own applicator. Now I need to warn you about something. They have mentioned that you need to apply it and you need to keep it for like 15 minutes and then rub it with a cloth. I did not listen to them. What I did is I applied it, I kept it for 15 minutes, and then I tried to wash it with water, because I thought कौन अब क्लॉथ को धोएगा फिर उसको यूज करेगा, छोड़ो, मैं नॉर्मली पानी से धो लेती हूँ. What happened is that this thing got into my eyes, and then my eyes started feeling like it has mint inside it. It cooled down, and I thought, now I have to go to the emergency room. So if you're using this, please be careful and do not let it get into your eyes. Always rub it off with a wet cloth and do not try to wash off with water. Coming to whether it works or not, it does make your skin cool down a lot. Like बिल्कुल peppermint जैसा effect लगता है skin में भी. It cools down your skin. But the other things like puffiness and all, there was a little bit of difference, like 5%, but उतना of course मुझे कुछ difference नहीं समझ में आया. I will give this 2.5 out of 5. Next product that I have is this Foxtail Pearlification Oil Balancing Moisturizer. Everybody is talking about it because it has this unique texture which has pearls inside it. Now this has niacinamide, azelaic acid, pearls plus Cica extract. All of those are great for people with oily skin and acne prone skin. This is for people with combination to oily skin. It has an oil free gel formula, balances sebum production. So this moisturizer is supposed to keep your skin matte and control the oiliness or sebum production in your face. First time when I applied it without any serum, anything. I just washed my face and I applied this moisturizer. What I understood is that it is actually mattifying. My face was matte and smooth for a long period of time. But when I paired it with a serum and a toner, I feel that it could not mattify it that well. If you have noticed, when you apply serum, your skin does look a little bit oily. So when I applied this on top of the serum, it did mattify it to an extent, but not as much as when I applied it by itself. All in all, I do think this is a great moisturizer. I mean, for people with oily skin, this is the best moisturizer you can get because I have used a lot of moisturizers and no one can mattify my face as good as this one. I will rate this 4 out of 5. Another thing you might be wondering that whether these pearls remain like this or not. So no, when you pump it out and you rub it against your hand or you apply it on your face and then you rub it, it dissolves into your face. I have reviewed all the products. Let me know which one was your favorite product out of all these and which one you are gonna try. And remember, abhi Amazon pe sale chal raha hai, so you will get all these products at a huge discount. The sale is Amazon Prime Day sale from 12th July to 14th July. I will leave the links in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. This is a great time to stock up on your skincare and makeup products. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next week with another video. Take care. Till then, tata.